Good morning, class. Miss Saltizer. I wanted to at least make a video to let y'all know what's going on today in class. I went off and got myself very sick this weekend and spent most of the weekend in bed. But we're going to be covering your essays either Wednesday or Thursday, depending on the class. Today, if you go into your Google Classroom, you'll be seeing your creative nonfiction notes are due today. We did those with the video. We watched the video of the woman telling us about the elements of nonfiction. So the slide presentation, you need to put your notes in and submit those. As of tomorrow, there is a classroom community questionnaire response that needs to be completed on Flipgrid, where you videotape your answering of questions. It sounds complicated, but it's not. Okay. You've got, I made a document that has a bunch of the accumulated responses of that survey that y'all took, classroom community survey, and I put it on a page for y'all. So all you have to do is click on it and you'll see pie charts and all that kind of stuff. There is, just to clarify, let me find it. Let's see. Okay, I'll just pull it up from here. I made this document with your different responses, so you can see a pie chart of how many of a certain grade that we have. Like there's a whole bunch of 11th graders in my classes. Another thing that might have been confusing though was you get down here and this right here are your birthdays, and it's really set up by month and year. So like in January of 2003, there are 2 people that were born on the 8th of January. And in September of 2003, there were 2 people who were born on the 9th of September. So that's how that chart works. What you're doing is just going through these and you're trying to see what you can learn about yourself and your friends by how y'all responded. Like what type of learners y'all are. You can see that there are certain types of ways of learning that you guys do more of, like hands-on and visual. So these are things to know so that we know how to help each other and how Ms. Altizer can help you try to be successful at getting what you need from our class this year. When you're done with that, you can go on to this Flipgrid Mixtape. This time we're actually going to do the mixtape. But you're going to videotape your response, and it's going to go into a mixtape, and there's going to be lots of videos, and you'll be able to see each other's responses. We're doing this in lieu of our community contract that we'd normally do in class, where we'd all sit together with a piece of big poster paper, and we would make out kind of our expectations and for each other. This way we're going to do it online. So that's the point of doing this, and kind of set the right tone for all of us for this school year. But it is a grade, and it is due tomorrow. There is a warm-up to do today. The warm-up is, depending on which class you're in, English 3 or English 4, or Reading 3, you will have a vocabulary.com link to join that class for vocabulary.com. You're going to join it and practice the words that are in that class. There's only one assignment, so it won't be hard to find. You'll want to study these words regularly because there will be a grammar quiz either on Thursday or Friday, either the 10th or 11th, depending on your class. I do have some other stuff listed for later on in the week, and you can look at those for your class. If you have any questions or anything, please contact me. But I wanted to make sure that I explained everything. And remember, we do have our weekly meeting, depending on whether you're an A or B day, Wednesday or Thursday, but it will be listed at the top of your class. So for like English 2, they meet on Wednesdays. And then English 3 second period meets on Wednesday, but English 3 sixth period meets on Thursday. So just look on your Google Drive. It's all there. But if you have any questions you don't understand, just let me know. But the big things today are to make sure that your notes that we started last week are done, that your community questionnaire, that you really think about answering those questions. So the questions on there are from looking at all the data that you saw, all the pie charts and everything, what is something that you think that a lot of you are struggling with? What is something that you think that you as a class feel confident about? What interesting connections that people in our community share? What's something that you didn't expect? Like maybe you share a birthday with somebody. It doesn't tell you who, but you know somebody shares the same birthday as you. And what surprised you about the answers your community gave? So also remember, this is the survey was done by 90 students, ranging from 10th grade to 12th grade. So you've got an interesting collection of people. So really work on your responses. This is an opportunity for you to work on your informational skills. And we have problems. You know, we in the past we've had problems answering good questions on the SAT test when it came to informational text, being able to understand the charts and take information, kind of make decisions based off of the charts. So this is a good chance for you to kind of work on some of those skills. Okay. Again, let me know if you have any questions. I will be here. And I'm sorry I'm looking a little haggard today. I'm hoping tomorrow that I will be looking better and ready to go. But y'all have a great day. I miss y'all. I look forward to seeing you in person. Take care of yourself.